हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल माँ फार्मेसी में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बायोसिंथेसिस ऑफ प्यूरिन राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड। दैट मीन्स आप बॉडी में कैसे बायोसिंथेसिस प्यूरिन का होता है। प्यूरिन का बायोसिंथेसिस दो टाइप्स होता है, दो पाथवे होता है। फर्स्ट वन डी नोवो पाथवे, सेकेंड वन साल्वेज पाथवे। साल्वे पाथवे इज used in brain and endoplasmic tissue, and de novo pathway is formation of purine nucleotide in the liver. That means liver is the major site of purine nucleotide. Then the major compound of contribute in the purine nucleotide such as protein, that means glutamine, glycine, aspartate is used in the purine biosynthesis. Next one sugar, that means ribose sugar is used in the formation of purine biosynthesis. Next phosphate. Next one enzyme such as PRPP transferase enzyme and formyl transferase enzyme etc are used in the formation of purine biosynthesis. Next alpha D ribose 5-phosphate is the first compound of the purine biosynthesis that react ATP in the presence of PRPP synthetase enzyme. Then AMP is reduced. Then formation of 5-phosphoribosyl alpha pyrophosphate. That means PRPP is added. Then formation of p-phosphoribosyl alpha pyrophosphate. Then glutamate plus H2O react 5-phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate on the presence of PRPP glutamyl amidotransferase, then form beta 5-phosphoribosyl amine. ठीक है, then NH2 amide is added. Then the glycine plus ATP react beta 5-phosphoribosyl amine. Then ADP plus PI is reduced in the presence of synthetase. Then the formation of glycinamide ribosyl phosphate. That means ग्लाइसिन आपका बीटा 5 राइबोसिल एमाइन के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो आपका फॉर्मेशन होता है ग्लाइसिनामाइड राइबोसिल 5 फॉस्फेट का। नेक्स्ट स्टेप N5-N10 मिथाइल THF टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलेट इज रिएक्ट ग्लाइसिनामाइड राइबोसिल 5 फॉस्फेट देन ऑन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ फॉर्मिल ट्रांसफरेज then THF is reduced. Then the formation of formyl glycinamide ribosyl phosphate. Then the glutamine is react formyl glycinamide ribosyl pyrophosphate. Then in the presence of synthetase enzyme, then reduce glutamate plus ADP plus PI. Then formation of formyl glycinamide ribosyl pyrophosphate. It means this process is added, and when glutamine plus ATP react on the formyl glycinamide ribosyl phosphate, then reduce glutamate plus ATP, then the formation of formyl glycinamide ribosyl pyrophosphate. Then the formyl glycinamide ribosyl phosphate is react ATP in the presence of synthetase enzyme. Then the ADP plus PI plus H2O is reduced. Then the formation of 5-aminoimidazole ribosyl phosphate. That means CH, this is a bond, then reduce H2O. ठीक, then 5-aminoimidazole ribosyl 5 phosphate is react CO2 on the presence of carboxylase enzyme. Then C double bond O negative is added on the structure, then the structure is called 5-amino imidazole carboxylate ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then aspartate plus ATP is react 5-amino imidazole carboxylate ribosyl 5-phosphate on the presence of synthetase enzyme, then reduce ADP plus PI. Then the product is form 5-amino imidazole 4-succinyl carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate is formed. Then fumarate is reduced in the presence of adenosuccinate lyase enzyme. Then the formation of 5-amino imidazole 4-carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then N10 formyl THF react 5-amino imidazole carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate in the presence of formyl transferase enzyme THF. Then the 5-4-amino imidazole 4-carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate is formed. Then H2O is reduced. This process is H2O 1 hydrogen amide groups. Then C के यहाँ से 1 हाइड्रोजन इज रिड्यूस प्लस 1 ऑक्सीजन इज रिड्यूस. देन द H2O is reduced. Then the formation of inosine monophosphate. It is a basic component of purine nucleotide. Inosine monophosphate. Hence, the inosine monophosphate is a basic component of the inosine monophosphate. Thanks. Then inosine monophosphate is react aspartate plus GTP plus GDP. Then the formation of adenyl succinate. Then adenyl succinate is reduced fumarate on the presence of adenyl succinase enzyme. Then formation of adenosine monophosphate. It is a base of purine nucleotide. Thus NAD plus H2O is react on the inosine monophosphate. Then formation of xanthine monophosphate is react on the GMP synthetase enzyme. Then formation of guanosine monophosphate. It is a base of purine nucleotides. Then next video is started on the salvage pathway. This is the based on the de novo synthesis of purine biosynthesis. थैंक यू. लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करिए ताकि अधिक से अधिक सब्सक्राइब्स हो सकें और मुझे उत्साहवर्धन मिलता रहे. धन्यवाद.